Hi, my name is Kiara and I work for Quick Jewelry Repairs. This is a video showing you how to measure your ring size at home. There are many options online, such as the circle method or the ring sizing band, that we have tested, and none of them are going to give you accurate results. This could be by printing the instructions on a different sized piece of paper than intended, or the fact that everybody sees things differently. Either way, this has led to our ring sizing technique becoming the easiest and the most accurate method, which will be the one I'm about to show you right now. This is what you're going to need. One piece of paper, one pen, one ruler, one pair of scissors, and the sizing chart. First, draw a line on a piece of paper 1/4 of an inch wide. Next, draw 6 inches in length to create a rectangle. Cut out the rectangle. Wrap the strip of paper around your finger and mark where it overlaps. Measure the strip of paper from the beginning to the mark. With this measurement, refer to our downloadable sizing chart to get your accurate ring size. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our blog. See you later.